Okay. So I will share this document. You can just go through, like if you want to like go through the provisions, you can just read the highlighted part so you understand what this thing is all about. So Article 5 talks about domicile. Who born in India, parents were born ordinarily resident for not less than 5 years, they would get citizenship. Next one regarding migrated to India from Pakistan. Parents were born in India, grandparents were born, migrated before this particular date, ordinarily residing in India, they don't need to apply for any citizenship, they would get it immediately. But people coming on or before this particular date, they need to wait for 6 months. After that, make an application and government would then register them as a citizen. Next one is like people who have migrated 2 times. Firstly, from India, they went to Pakistan, then they decided to came back to India, so they will also have to wait for 6 months and then get themselves registered under the government authority. Article 8 says people who are like staying outside, they can also get themselves registered as a citizen of India. Article 9 says if a person is like accepting citizenship of any other foreign country, he or she would no longer be a citizen of India. Article 10 says anyone who is a citizen of India at one point of time, they would continue to be so. We don't need to renew our citizenship. Article 11 is the Parliament is given this particular right, and the Law Order Act is Citizenship Act 1955, and the recent amendment was of 2019, where the time frame, waiting time was reduced from 11 to 5 years.